Hello students, in this video we will talk about different methods of cooking. So, what are the advantages of cooking? Cooked food is easier to digest. Cooking kills microbes, that are germs which are present in the food. So, cooking kills all these microbes. Cooked food becomes softer and hence very easier to eat. Cooked food is often tastier because we add a lot of spices and different things while cooking the food. Cooking removes or reduces odors present in some food substances. So let us know about the different methods of cooking. Here you can see one bhutta or a corn which is roasting. Next method is boiling. Here we are boiling some noodles in a bowl. Frying. Here we are frying some pakoras. Baking. Here we are baking one cake. Steaming. Here the momos are steaming. So the common basic methods of cooking are boiling. Rice is cooked by boiling. We eat boiled grams or potatoes. Soups are prepared by boiling. Boiling kills the bacteria, so it is safe to drink boiled milk. Next one is frying, in which the food item is cooked with a shallow oil bath in a pan over a fire. It can be deep frying also. Potatoes, bhajiyas, papads, vadas, puris, fish, meat, eggs can be fried. You like the French fries. Next method is roasting. It is a method that uses dry heat where hot air covers the food, cooking it evenly on all sides and make it more tastier. Chapatis, rotis are prepared with the help of roasting method. Groundnuts, grams, cashew nuts, almonds are also roasted. Sometimes meat is also roasted. Next is baking. Bread and cakes are baked in an oven. Tandoor is also a kind of oven. Even the biscuits are also baked in an oven. Steaming. It works by boiling water continuously and the steam carries heat to the food, thus cooking the food. Idlis, dhoklas, momos are prepared with the help of steaming. So now identify the methods used to cook in these pictures. So which is this method? Yes, roasting. This is frying. Here comes the boiling. And it is baking. We eat both cooked and uncooked food. Uncooked food. Uncooked food is which is not cooked and that is not prepared by using the fuel. Here you can see the salads and sandwiches. An uncooked food is less digestible. Some food items are healthier when eaten raw. It is more prone to germs and harmful chemicals. More nutrients are present when we eat some food items raw. Fuel is not necessary for the uncooked food. Here comes the cooked food. It is more digestible. Some food items are healthier when they are cooked. They are germs free and safe to eat. But sometimes there are less nutrients present when we cook some food items. And fuel is also necessary for the cooking. For example, dosa, puri, sabji, all these are cooked food. Some food items need to be cooked. For example, potatoes, pumpkin, ladyfinger, capsicum, brinjal, and bitter gourd. Where are some food items can be eaten both raw and cooked, like onion, carrots, tomato, cabbages, and radish. I hope now you have understand about the different methods of cooking. Thank you, students.